Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you laptop how to disable keyboard. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first method that you can use is a disable keyboard using Device Manager. To do it, simply right click on your start button, then inside select Device Manager. Now once you're inside this Device Manager, what you need to do here is find keyboards. Then press the drop down button, and now here what you need to do is right click on your laptop keyboard, which is standard PS\2 keyboard. And once you do that, here you will find an option that says disable device. And once you select it, keyboard stops working immediately. The next method is uninstall the driver by simply going through the same steps by clicking on the start button by right clicking it and selecting Device Manager. And once you do that, here go to the keyboards once again, then select the keyboard and then right click on it and uninstall the device. And once you select uninstall the device, do not restart your laptop and the keyboard will be disabled until you restart. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.